Greetings to all the science parks and other fellow innovators. I am Kati Villers, the head of corporate innovation at Tehnopol Science and Business Park. 4 years ago, Tehnopol and SEB Bank Innovation Center joined forces to form Innovation Leaders Club. Its ultimate goal is to position Estonian companies and their solutions at the forefront of global innovation and to support real cooperation between corporates and startups, whether through joint product validation, testing, or development. According to member feedback from our previous season, 83% of our members reported that their R&D and I investments grew by more than 2% over the last year, and 92% of those members invested that money into product development and 75% into collaboration with R&D institutions. While the club serves as an innovation service for companies, it also has a voice in business circles and has grown into a very respected and known opinion leader in matters concerning business development through open innovation. So Tehnopol is really honored to bear this role as a community builder and very grateful that this has also brought us to the final of the Inspiring Solutions competition. So thank you very much.